Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here is many different types of colorful toys really arranged here. So now I will hand drive all of this vehicle with my hand. At first is a cartoony drum truck. I will try this one now. I parked here this cartoony drum truck. This one is pink, paste and purple color combination. And next one is a police car here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this police car. This one is white, black and silver color combination. And this one is a animal truck here, so I will try this one now. I parked here this animal truck. This one is paste black and orange color combination. So friends, now I will hand drive this Green Company double decker bus. Let's go. I parked here this Green Company double decker bus. This one is yellow and black color combination. This one is a big size Super Spider-Man car, so I will try this one now. I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is red, black and green color combination. Friends, now I will hand drive this mixer truck, so let's go. I parked here this under construction vehicle mixer truck, so I will park here. This one is yellow, black and white color combination. This is the last one is a runner car here, so I will try this one also. I parked here this runner car. This one is red, black and yellow color combination. So friends, all of these vehicle hand drive and introduced with you. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.